aga foni Igbo je koloni okwa owele na azo na anu ogu ka obala osi ako onye obodo ozo onye Hausa maka no feel no onye Hausa bụ a better candidate. No, you have to be a tribalist for Igbo to succeed. N'ihe nwanne let me ka ọ bụrụ nwanne ga-eweta ife ọ bụ ya bụrụ. This Igbo Unity Conference, it could go many things, and many problems. But most of the things, even now, cannot be the way out. But cannot be the way out. Now, for instance, for the struggle of this Igbo unity, the struggle is mostly in the south and in the southeast. Now, open a katana south, anytime if I'm not an Igbo, I'm not Igbo, I'm not Igbo. Even southeast, I have a problem. Southeast, where I have passed through the influencers. If I'm not a tribalist, I'm not a tribalist. Come go. Idika bụ a tribalist n'Igbo n'Igbo ifuru ndị Igbo n'anya maka onwe one thing will say in cabinet support to this Tinubu before the president ndị Igbo na tribalist. I have to write, yes, it is your brother that will love you whether you are mad or not. Ọ bụrụ na ndị Igbo n'Igbo na ịbụ a tribalist to love your Igbo man unconditionally. In short, you are an enemy of Ndi IGBO. Into another war, call me a tribalist because none must support Ndi IGBO. Oblu even a Bundi mostly southeast, but I'm not a tribalist. I got phony Igbo J colony or owele na azo na anu ogu ka obala osi ako onye obodo ozo onye Hausa maka no feel no onye Hausa bụ a better candidate. No, you have to be a tribalist for Igbo to succeed. N'ihe nwanne let me ka ọ bụrụ nwanne ga-eweta ife ọ bụ ya bụrụ. Ọ bụkwa na nwanne bụ onye ala rapụ aka ọ gaba. Be a tribalist. Only Igbo dịka ọ bụ na anyị dịka etinye this plot of tribalism and going nowhere. Ka m gwakwa isi na Igbo onye Igbo na-apụ m, I'm not a tribalist like our influencers writing against everything about ndị Igbo. Newspaper. I will go every day in the internet. I will be fighting that is struggling with them to support the Igbo people, but they say they are not tribalists. If you are not a tribalist, Igbo will not go far. Try to put on that coat of tribalism so that Igbo will go far. I'm proud to be a tribalist. So let me address one thing. There's another one. The South side. I'm not an Igbo. Yes. Even though I have gone through most of our histories, I found out that we royal homes, our history have been changed, distorted, for all of us to come from Benin. Yes, if you are from Benin, yes, hold it. But what makes you, what gives you identity is your ethnic group and your tribe. What is your ethnic group? The culture you practice. If I have ancestry of Benin and your culture is not that of Benin, your way of life, you are not from Benin. You only come from the ethnic group which you practice the culture, which is your way of life. And another thing, you cannot be living your life in Igbo culture, and you foolishly said that you are not an Igbo man. Now, another one is a tribe. What is tribe? Tribe is people that share same culture and language. Can you share Igbo culture and speak Igbo language, and which make you a man from Igbo tribe, and you said you are not an Igbo? That means you are ignorant of something, or something is wrong with you. That is why I read in a book that my people are dying because of ignorance. we need to approach them and tell them the difference, the meaning of culture and the meaning of tribe, so that they will understand even the ancestry they place on us in a criminal way does not define us to be not an Igbo man. We are still Igbo man in culture and in language. So our ethnicity is Igbo and our tribe is Igbo. If you say that your ancestry is not Igbo, your ancestry does not give you your identity. Because your ancestry is history. It's just like somebody who said my ancestry is from Egypt. I'm not an Egyptian because my way of life, culture is not that of Egypt. It is the Igbo culture I practice. I'm an Igbo man. So we need to explain many things for people. If you explain many things, then they will understand. I don't need to say many things. We need to make a strategy of using our Igbo culture and our Igbo language to promote this movement for Igbo unity. And that is the only way we can do it. And another thing, try to love your tribe. Try to, if they said you are a tribalist because you want to support Igbo man, accept. Yes, be a tribalist. If you're not a tribalist, you can't make it your people. Let me tell you, if you can't help your people, nobody will help your people. Thank you.